Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a get ready with me. It is this look that I have on right now. It is a autumn makeup look. It is cool, earthy tones. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is eyeshadow because I want to use this palette by Anastasia. It is the Rose Metals palette. It is just, it's scrumptious. It's perfect for fall and I'm obsessed with it. The reason why we're starting here is because as much as I love this palette, it has terrible fallout and it just ends up all over my face. We're gonna start with eyeshadow, but I'm actually going to start here with the Tartelette and Bloom palette. My palette is completely out of order because it's been dropped and just like thrown back in there. So I'm pretty sure this is actually, I have no clue what color this is, but I start here and I just put it all over my eyelid. Okay, now that that is done, I'm taking my Sephora 19 brush. This is like my favorite little crease brush, and I'm gonna be taking the color Ashes in the Rose Metals palette and just kind of putting it in my outer crease. Also, if I'm looking over here or up here, it's because that's where the mirrors are. So just bear with me. Okay, that's like a really good base wash of color. So next I'm gonna be taking this eyeshadow brush from Tarte and giving it a little spritz of Fix Plus. And then I'm going to be going in with the shade Nova, just kind of around my eyelid area. It's like a dark green. We're gonna do that and do that too. Okay, next I'm going to be taking this Morphe X Jaclyn Hill, I don't even think they make this anymore, JH33 brush. It's like a different kind of crease brush. And I'm going to be taking the shade Nocturne, this one right here, and just going in on the outer like V. Okay, now we're going to brighten it up a bit. This is a Sigma brush, I believe. Maybe it's a Morphe brush. It's just like a flat brush. And I'm gonna be taking the color Heavenly, super bright white shimmer color, and just kind of pop it here. Okay, that's, I think, enough eyeshadow for one girl. I'm going to take my Sephora liner brush. It's the number 22, and my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk eyeliner. It's a very pretty burgundy red color. So I like to just do the outer half of my eyelid. I don't like to do the whole eyelid because I think it gives more of a cat eye effect without having to wing it. If you just, okay, if you just do the outer half of your eyelid. Okay, I've just had to like do most of that off camera. And I can't really see out of my left eye. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I don't even know what's going on this side. Like it's all blurry. Okay, I think that looks good. I think it looks good. Just kind of wiping that fallout off. Okay, moving on to the face, I'm gonna be taking my Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Hydrating Primer. Next is my favorite foundation of all time. It is the NARS Light Reflecting. My bottle is messy. My bottle has been with me since January of 2022. So it's probably expired, but we're still going strong. So I'm in the shade Mont Blanc, and I just pump some out on the back of my hand, swirl it around, and then I just kind of start to go in with my, my hands, my fingers, and blend it around. This color is really good for me when I'm pale, but when I get a tan, which is rare, but it does happen. And when it does happen, it's really hard for me to get a color in this foundation. Deauville is like the next neutral shade, and it's very yellow. And I do own it, but it's just, I never wear it. And when I do, I feel like it's a disaster. So at least I am pale for you guys so that my foundation will look really good. I gotta get like all around here, like that. All down there. Okay, after foundation, I'm going in with my Tarte Creaseless Corrector. This is new. This is in the shade Peachy Pink. I love this stuff. It is just my lifesaver because sometimes concealer just isn't enough. So I just pop a little bit of this like in my little inner corners and I just buff it out with my beauty blender. I am a beauty blender girly. I have tried foundation brushes and I go back to my beauty blender every time, no matter what. It's just my go-to and I love it. Next is my Shape Tape Creamy Creaseless Ultra Creamy Concealer. And I'm in the shade 22B, Light Beige. I just pop this right where I popped the color corrector. And then a little bit here. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Radiant Concealer. And I'm just gonna kind of put it where I just need a little bit of extra coverage, like for redness. And I have like a vein here. Just kind of like wherever. Okay, I feel like I just need to like do my eyebrow a little bit more. It's like literally my famous last words before I like lose it. Next, I'm going in with my Milk Makeup Contour Stick, Sculpt Stick in the shade Toasted. And I just kind of start where my ear is and like take it up like that. And then I use my It Cosmetics foundation brush like this. Since I don't use foundation brushes for foundation, I don't want to not use them. So I just use this one for my contour and it works. Honestly, works amazingly. A little bit here. This is like the only contour stick that I really like because it doesn't get patchy on me and it blends like butter. Now I'm gonna go in with my Nude Sticks Nudies Matte Blush in Naughty and Spice. Naughty and Spice. And this is a Morphe R46 brush. I don't think they make the rose gold ones anymore though, but it just looks like that. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite powder of all time, the Laura Mercier Ultra Blur Talc Free Translucent Powder. Just gonna tap some into the lid. You guys know the drill. A little Tarte brush again. This is my favorite brush for under eye powder. It is literally perfect. So I just kind of blend out any creases that have formed with my concealer first, so I don't set them that way. And then I go in with my little powder brush and it just kind of makes everything look like a filter and it's just perfect. Just kind of powdering up here around my eyebrows and like in here and around my brows. And then I do the rest of my face, not all of it, just kind of like down here and where I put that contour to set it before I go in with bronzer. Now I'm going in with my NARS Laguna bronzer and this really old BH Cosmetics brush that they probably don't make anymore. Is BH Cosmetics still around? I don't know. I feel like they might have not be. They might have gone under or something. So I just put like the smallest little amount over my contour. I don't like to go super crazy because this is kind of dark. This Laguna Original for me being super pale. So I just kind of like to do a small amount, and I don't swipe it. I pat it into my skin so it doesn't get patchy. Moving right along, it's time to do highlighter. I'm gonna go in with my Hollywood Glide Glow Face Architect highlighter in the shade Champagne Glow. Looks like this. I just take that same blush brush and I just go to town with it. On my cheekbones, on my nose, on my forehead. The light reflecting does do a really good job of being dewy still with like powder on, but I just like a little bit of extra pop. Now it's time to do the lower lash line. So I'm just gonna take that same liner brush with whatever was left on it from Pillow Talk and just smudge it underneath. Okay, after that I curled my lashes, and now I'm going in with my all-time favorite mascara, Urban Decay Perversion. I love her. I just haven't found one that I like as much as this. I like other mascaras, but they just don't do it like this one for me. Okay, and last but certainly not least is lipstick. I'm going to be using my MAC Cream In Your Coffee lipstick. This is a cream sheen. That is perfect for this cool earthy toned autumn makeup look. So this is my finished look. If you enjoyed getting ready with me today, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys next time.